Today, December 10th, International Human Rights Day, I want to ask all the Catalan diaspora in the world for your help and support so that next February 14 we can form a coalition with a desire to achieve the parliament to give effect to the people mandate of October 1st. Today, I also want to take this opportunity to ask states, nations and colonies for your international support in the perspective of the next elections in my country, Catalonia. Once again, Catalans, we are doing something more important than just casting a ballot. We are struggling with our being as a nation and our national future. I beg all of you, brothers and sisters, to help youth achieve democratic and peaceful independence. All together, all democracy people, all oppressed peoples everywhere in the world, we are bet for our freedom. Thanks as always, you're for great help at all times. Visca Catalunya i visca la llibertat.